Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, one of the clinical audiologists and part of the ownership team with Advanced Hearing Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is earwax removal vlog number 51. Nice short video today, taking a look at a severely impacted ear where everything came out in nice big chunks. Take a look at what came out of the ear on our first pull. A few more swipes like that and this ear will be totally clean. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps get our content in front of more people. We want to provide some entertainment and education. Mentioning education, did you know that some people, when experiencing dizziness, feel like they're spinning? Other people feel like the room or the building around them is spinning. It's amazing how different people can have different perceptual feelings associated with the same condition. Alright, now that we got a lot of that earwax removed there, let's take a look and see if we can't get it all out and get a good view of the eardrum. And there we go, with a wonderful view of the eardrum. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.